Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the name on your Delta Airlines ticket. Whether you've spotted a typo or need to update your name due to a legal change, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to delta.com. Once you're on the Delta homepage, look for the My Trips section and click on it. This is where you'll manage all your existing reservations and make any necessary changes to your bookings. Next, you'll need to enter your confirmation number or e-ticket number along with your last name in the fields provided. Make sure these details match exactly what's on your original booking confirmation. Once you've entered this information, click the red button to proceed. This will pull up your reservation details and allow you to move forward with editing your ticket. Now, since we don't have an actual ticket number ready for demonstration purposes, I'm going to walk you through what happens next. After clicking that red button, you'll typically see an option to find your trip or submit your search. Go ahead and click Find My Trip or Submit to continue. The system will then display your reservation details. Once your reservation appears, select it from the list if you have multiple bookings. Look for the section that allows you to modify passenger information. You'll want to click on Edit Passenger Details or search for a name correction option under the Passenger Info section. This is where Delta allows you to make changes to the name on your ticket. When the name fields appear, carefully type the corrected name into the appropriate boxes for first, middle, and last name. Be extremely careful here to ensure everything is spelled correctly and matches your identification exactly, as any mistakes could cause issues at the airport. If you're making a legal name change rather than just correcting a typo, Delta may prompt you to upload supporting documents. This could include a marriage certificate, divorce decree, or court order. If you see this prompt, have your documents ready in digital format and upload them as requested. This step helps verify that the name change is legitimate and properly documented. After entering all the corrected information and uploading any required documents, take a moment to review all the changes you've made. Double-check that everything looks correct before moving forward. Once you're satisfied, click Save or Submit Request to finalize your name correction. Finally, you'll receive a confirmation via email regarding your name change request. You can also check back in the My Trips section to see your updated ticket information. Keep in mind that it may take up to 24 hours for the changes to fully process and appear in the system, so don't worry if you don't see the update immediately. And there you have it, you've successfully submitted a name change request for your Delta Airlines ticket. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.